What's up, Sumolings? It's Jay here with AppSumo, the best place to get insane deals on business software. Today we're taking a look at AppMySite, the no-code app builder that helps you create powerful Android and iOS mobile apps in minutes. With AppMySite's easy-to-use platform, you can create Android and iOS mobile apps in no time, without any coding too. There are 4 options to choose from when creating your app: WordPress to app, web to app, WooCommerce app, and custom app. Web to app turns existing websites into mobile apps. WordPress apps converts WordPress sites into native mobile apps. And WooCommerce apps turns WooCommerce stores into mobile apps. Finally, the custom app option lets you create an app from scratch without a website. Now, if you're saying to yourself, Jay, I've heard enough. How do I buy it? I'd say by hitting that Buy Now button on the right side of the deal page. But if you're asking me, what else is there? Then I'd say, stick around to find out. Just to see AppMySite in action, let's start with the custom app setup. Choose a template and browse through the library of stock images, icons, and designs to create the perfect logo. Build a splash screen using templates and the drag and drop builder. You can also add text, rearrange icons and images, and customize every element to fit your app's aesthetic. Next step is to set up the bottom menu bar. You'll be able to select icons from the icon library and filter by color and shape. And you can update the menu option names and add URLs. Actually, you can edit every detail of the menu bar, including the background color, border color, and text color with the visual builder. You can also create custom pages for your app. Add a title, drop in some images, and plug in your copy with the block layout. And with built-in settings, it's so easy to edit each block to match your branding. Create gallery pages with your own artwork or stock photos from the AppMySite library. With the code block, you can embed scripts from third-party websites to add videos, maps, and forms to the page. Plus, you can add CTA buttons to link to another app page, an external website, your phone number, or an email address. Finally, you can preview and test your app on a real smartphone to see how it works. And you'll be able to see your edits instantly reflected in the preview. There you have it, folks. App building on easy mode thanks to AppMySite. I recommend jumping on this Black Friday deal before it's gone for good.